This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. Beautiful, light, bright and open condo updated with many features to include hardwood floors, granite countertops with tile backsplash, ceramic tile in sunroom, kitchen and laundry. Vaulted ceilings throughout and, if needed, nice office with hardwood floors. Beautiful updated master bath with double vanities and walk-in tile surround shower. New carpet in the master bedroom, California closet and laundry cabinets in the laundry room. Clubhouse, fitness, and pool. Active and friendly community with clubs, games and classes. This place is ready for you to move right in and enjoy.